Hi there. I'm in the mood for dal bati today. This humble Rajasthani dish tastes extraordinary and is enjoyed by everyone, especially in the winters. The best part, you'll be able to cook it in less than an hour. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. This is 1/4 cup of chana dal or Bengal gram and 1/4 cup of moong dal, 1/4 cup of red lentils, masoor dal, slightly less than 1/4 cup of arhar dal or split pigeon peas. Soak it in water for about half an hour. After the soaking, wash the lentils 2 to 3 times. Transfer the lentils into a pressure cooker. Add in enough water. Pressure cook the lentils till they are done. To make the dal, we need half a teaspoon each of cumin seeds and mustard seeds, a stick of cinnamon and asafoetida, a pinch. To temper the oil, medium sized onion chopped finely, large tomato chopped, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and green chilies to taste, half a teaspoon each of amchur powder, garam masala powder, turmeric powder and red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, salt to taste, ghee or clarified butter to drizzle on top. That dal is cooked perfectly. I have just added in about a cup and a half of water to adjust the consistency. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add in the cumin seed, mustard seed and the stick. The mustard seeds are crackling and I'll just add in some hing or asafoetida, about 1/4 teaspoon of it. Add in the onions. Cook till they are light pink in color. Add in the ginger garlic paste. Cook till the raw smell goes away. Add in the tomatoes. And a bit of salt. Cook till the tomatoes become soft. Add in all the dry spices. Keep the heat low. Cook briefly. Add a tiny bit of water just to be safe. That doesn't burn. Add in the chili. That looks nice. Add in the lentils. Mix it up and bring it to a boil. That's come to a roaring boil. You could adjust the consistency by adding in a little water if it's too thick. But just remember that this dal should not be too thin. Boil it for a minute or two and finish it up with some chopped coriander. Check and adjust the seasoning. Some clarified butter or ghee to finish it off. Finally, let this melt and the dal should be ready. That looks perfect. Just turn off the heat. To make the bati, 2 cups of atta, whole wheat flour. Season it with half a teaspoon of salt. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/3 cup of semolina or suji and give it all a mix. Add in some crushed ajwain or caraway seeds. Add in about 1/4 of a cup of melted ghee. Mix it well. That's done. Make a stiff dough by adding water little at a time. That's quite a stiff dough. Apply some oil over it. Cover it and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Give it a light knead. Break it up into 10 or 12 balls. Roll them and flatten them out slightly. Place them on a baking tray. Get on with the rest. That's how I arrange them. Bake them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. Checking after 20 minutes, they have got a nice light color on them and the underside is nicely charred, crispy on the outside. Flip them over. These are extremely hot. Handle with care and let them bake for another 10 minutes. These batis are usually dunked in some melted ghee or clarified butter. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section before serving. So I'll just go ahead and do that while they are hot. These have been dunked in the ghee. The rest I'll just brush. Drizzle some ghee over the dal and the batis and serve them hot with a wedge of lime, onions and green chilli. Enjoy!